Did I hear you say that you want to apply for the upcoming DV lottery? Is that a yes? If it's a yes, there is some news I have for you. Yeah, registration fee will be $1 per registration. Yes, just $1. Now that I have your attention, let's get into the video and we discuss about the changes on charges that are coming in the DV process. Number 1, DV application used to be free. That's almost over now. The charges that will be happening is just $1 per registration. The official DV application website as at now is dvprogram.state.gov. Please mark this video. Don't be scammed by anybody. Yes, the official DV application website is dvprogram.state.gov. Why is this happening? The argument is DV applications, they are usually about 25 million registration for people who are applying for DV lottery. If they charge $1 per registration, it's going to essentially raise $25 million towards this process, which they do for free. And I think that might make businesses to them, because doing such a huge thing for free, it might not be sustainable for so long. And the registration fee of $1 sound reasonable, not cheap, but reasonable. And this will potentially raise $25 million. And since this final rule was effective on September 16, based on the information on the website www.govinfo.gov, yes, you can see the source of this information. They are saying registration fee is $1. You can go on that website and learn more about all that. Please note, this is different from application fee. This is registration fee of $1. Initially, every person who was applying for DV or entering in the DV lottery application, it was free of charge. The application fee here, which they are talking about $330, this remains, and this is for the people who are going for the actual interview. That has always been there. Even me, because I'm a DV 2022 winner, I paid that money. Now, there is this question. If I am a potential DV applicant in Kenya, what does that information mean to me? Kindly consider these two options. But before we go into that, let me tell you who I am. My name is Douglas Como, and I'm welcoming you to subscribe to this channel. I spend my time creating this video to share my experiences and to share the little knowledge I have. And this time I'm welcoming people who want to advertise on this channel. If you want to advertise on this channel, please, those are my contacts right there. You can send me an SMS or you shoot me an email, como@douglascomo.com, or you talk to me. We might see what we can do. But for you, please consider subscribing. Now that we are done on that part, let's talk about this. If you're a potential DV applicant in Kenya, what does this mean to me? What does this mean to you? Now consider these two things. Number 1, make sure that you have your DV photo ready. Also make sure that if you have a spouse and kids, make sure that you have their photo ready. Yes, that is very important. Also, prepare to pay registration fee of $1. $1. Just $1. At the time of recording this video, the official application website for DV lottery is dvprogram.state.gov. Please beware of this website and avoid scammers. dvprogram.state.gov. Don't lose money. Normally, application for DV happens around the month of October and November. And since this proposal might go into effect on October 16th, I'm thinking loud that this year, DV registration might start on that Tuesday. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. October 16th. I'm just guessing. October 16th might be the time DV registration start, because we cannot have some people pay, others don't pay. So I think it might be late a little bit. Now, I want to promote these 3 people. There are people asking, where can I get a photo? There is this guy called Jose. He's a photographer based in Kenya. You can organize with him. He can come where you are. He likes doing photos in groups. Take his number. Talk to him. Plan with him on where he can come and take your photo. He will tell you the group of that area. Also, there's another lady who knows how to do photocopy and printing. Maybe you can ask her whether the photocopy is okay, or just almost any other question. Her name is Auma. She knows a lot about the cyber things. There's also another guy called Dixon. He's of TPM Cyber. That is his phone number. Those people who have been asking me questions, hey, where can I do this? Where can I do that? If you need to know more about photos, the right photo, this guy, almost everybody here knows how to take the right DV photo. Yes, you see their photos? Yeah, they do good photos. They understand the process. So take their number. It's down here. Thank you. Now, point number 2. Make sure you have the correct DV application picture. I just showed you people who can help you with that. The photo should be size 600 by 600 pixels. Yes, it must be on a white background. It should be taken recently, within the last 6 months. And please visit the website here to learn more about the right photo. Yes, I'm just sharing this information with you, but the source of the information is travel.state.gov. Go there, learn yourself. Also, educate yourself about the DV process. Visit websites like travel.gov. They have a lot of resources on that. You learn a lot. There's also another guy who is a YouTuber. Ooh, I like his videos. I like his information. His name is Brit Simon. Follow him. He has a website, BritSimonSays.com, and he also have a YouTube channel. He talks a lot about the DV process. And I'm putting this disclaimer. This is not legal advice. This info is for entertainment purposes only. Are we in agreement? This is not legal advice. This is just, to entertain you. Maybe you can get something out of this entertainment. Reminder, if you want to advertise something, this is my phone number, and that's the email address. Reach to me, and if you're enjoying the show, consider subscribing to this YouTube channel. And I hope you're learning a lot about this DV process. I hope you enjoyed this video. I talked about the changes that are coming in the DV process, which are here. See them? Talked about the charges that you might start paying $1 for the registration of the DV process. Yes, we talked about that. Now, because all this information cannot fit one video, I'll invite you to consider watching this other video to learn more about this process. Thank you for watching this video. Now, join me in this other video here to learn more about the DV process. I'm waiting you on the other side. Yes, come. Click on this video. Meet me on the other side. Thank you.